Yo, what's up, everyone? Today we're breaking down the slang term trade. So, what does it actually mean? In simple words, trade is informal slang for betraying or deceiving someone. People use it when talking about friends or allies who break trust. Sometimes it can also mean something slightly different depending on the context. Where did it come from? Slang usually has a cool backstory. Trade first showed up in the 2010s urban communities. Over time, it spread into everyday talk, especially among young people and music fans. Now let's check out how to use trade in a sentence. Correct example 1. She totally trade her best friend by revealing the secret they promised to keep. Correct example 2. Did you hear he trade the crew by selling out the plan? And for laughs, here's a wrong example. My grandma said, trade at Sunday dinner, and everyone just froze. See how slang adds personality and vibe? Using trade right makes you sound natural, but using it wrong can be hilarious. Quick recap. Trade means to betray or deceive someone. It started in the 2010s urban communities, and now you'll hear it in conversations, online, or even in music. Now it's your turn. Drop your best sentence with trade in the comments. And if you want to learn more slang and fun word histories, don't forget to subscribe and join our community here every day.